Hello, beautifuls. It's Tiffany here. Welcome and welcome back. Welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Please know that I do greatly appreciate your support and your time. Hope that you all had a happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving was yesterday, and we are now officially in the holiday season. They're a wonderful time of year. Time to spend with food, family, and friends, and all day in the kitchen. But not anymore. Come here. Come. Shh. I have a secret. I cheated. Yeah, I cheated for Thanksgiving because, as you know, I'm a teacher and my break isn't that long for me to spend my entire day in the kitchen for an itty bitty amount of people. So, yeah, I cheated. Can I cook? Yeah, I'm pretty decent. Did I want to? Nope. So, what did I do? I went to my local grocery store and I pre-ordered my Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'm in the DC area, so I ordered my food from Giant Grocery Store for $59. So, Giant is a store that does carry them. Other places carry the pre-cooked meals as well. Like Costco, I think Costco had one. I think theirs was like 100 and something. Harris Teeter has it. I used to use them. Who else has it? Oh, Boston Market also has it as well, somebody told me. And they're actually pretty good, and you get to spend time with your family and friends and outside of the kitchen. Like, so for Christmas, I will probably go ahead and cook because my break is longer for Christmas. Again, I'm a teacher, so I only have like a few days, like yesterday and today, for break. And I have tons of other things that I could be doing other than being in the kitchen. Like I said, right now, COVID, we only have a few people in the house for Thanksgiving. So why do all of that? Yeah. So let's take a look at how I cheated. So here I'm headed to the grocery store. And the line was so crowded and lots of issues in there. I even had an issue picking up my order, so that's why I just jumped straight to the line. Candy. No candy. Alright, so I survived and made it out of the store. And my bags are ready to load into the car. And this is the order form. They had written PU on it because they said I had picked it up when I really hadn't. And you can see all the different types of dinners that they have. I got the turkey dinner. And this is everything that comes with it. Not my water bottle. And my receipt. Everything else is what comes in the order. You get your pie, rolls, stuffing, and that's the gravy. And you have your mashed sweet potatoes, which were really good. I didn't have to do too much to them. And your creamy mashed potatoes. And the green bean casserole, which I thought was going to be disgusting, but it really wasn't. And now it's Thanksgiving Day. It's time to get ready to start cooking that turkey. So these are the directions. There are different ways you can fix it. You can grill it, put it in the microwave, which I wouldn't do. And your carving directions. And here's the turkey. And you just cut the paper off of it. Now I was trying hard not to cut the turkey. The paper's really close to it, but so once you cut the paper, you can just take the turkey out and make sure you dump all the juices in the pan. And there you go. The directions say to add a little vegetable oil over it, but I chose olive oil. Either one should be fine. So I just got my little brush and I poured some of the olive oil on it and then I brushed it around. And these are the directions where they show you that. So after I brushed the oil over the turkey, I went ahead and got my little Cajun seasoning, which you'll see coming up shortly. And I sprinkled some of that on top of it. You really didn't need to, but I like my Caribbean flavor. What can I say? And so after that, I went ahead and got the oven ready. I had it preheating at 350, I believe. So the light was off and it was all ready to go. So I put that bad boy in the oven. And I think the directions said for it to stay in for about, it was an 11-pound turkey, so I had to stay in the oven for about an hour to an hour and a half. I set my timer for an hour 15, but I just turned off the oven and let it stay in there for the other 15 minutes. That's my timer. And the hour and a half is over. And we have a turkey in just an hour and a half. So yeah, that's how I fixed the turkey, and it turned out pretty good. And the little Caribbean seasoning that I added on in there, that helped out a lot. It was good anyway, but you could have my little flavor to it. So with the sides, I didn't show you the sides, but you have the option of heating them up in the microwave, or you can heat them up on the stove. So I did the majority of it on the stove in a pan, and I just wanted to show you what the directions were. This one is for the sweet potatoes. No, not the sweet potatoes. I'm looking right at it. The mashed potatoes. And if you can see the directions there, you can either do microwave or stovetop. For the majority of the things, I chose stovetop. I have 4 burners, so I used 4 things there, and everything else I put in the microwave, and it was fine. So yeah, those are the sides that you get. Here's some. So you had your stuffing. That's one thing you got. Green bean casserole, which I thought was going to be disgusting, but it was actually pretty good. And yeah, creamy mashed potatoes and something else. What is this? Oh yeah, your gravy. The gravy was good. Gravy was really